Good morning! Today is a new day and we are having some overnight oats for breakfast. We got some oatmeal, chia seeds. As I was saying, we have some oatmeal, chia seeds, almond milk, yogurt, blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, banana, and some peanut butter. His sign that he wants more. I just finished washing the strawberries, blueberries, blackberries into my little fruit cleaner, salad cleaner thing. And yeah. And the baby wants more. Yummy. So yummy. We went to Sprouts yesterday and got these organic dark chocolate raisins. When I tell you they're so freaking fire, my newest obsession right here. Are ready to go on our morning walk. He's ready. Put in his shades and his little beanie. Oh, you look so cute. Look at you! We're ready. Woo! We made it to, what is it called? Paris Baguette. So freaking good. Oh my god, look at, what are they called?
Mochi donuts.
Fruity Pebbles. Yeah, it's okay. Oh my god, look at this one. Buffalo chicken and ranch pizzetta.
Those are good. You got one of those?
Which one? Nah, I don't want one of those. You get it. I want a coffee or a latte. Hopefully it's
Coconut
good,
chia
but this is the place. So which one, what is this called?
It's a mochi fruity pebble donut.
Mochi fruity pebble donut. This one's mine. I love anything cream cheese. So this one's his, and this one's his, and this one's mine. And we also got a,
Nutella.
She recommended a Nutella coffee, iced coffee. And
Nutella latte
this is
ice.
also a Nutella latte.
Nutella latte ice. No, hot.
Yeah, yours is hot, mine is ice, but it's the same thing. And we got little baby over here going crazy. Papi. Hey. ¿Quieres? Mira. Here. Look at my teeth. Too hard for you. It's way too hard for you. Yes. Because of the sun. I know. It's too good, huh? Yeah.
That tastes compared to the one from Starbucks.
Oh my god.
Try this one.
But these are freshly made. I think. I don't know.
Try this one.
Ow! You bit, mommy. You should have ate outside.
Try the mochi donut.
Huh?
Try the mochi donut.
This is overpowering. I think I'm done.
Try this
You
one.
want this one. You want the colorful one?
This one?
No.
Ah.
Take off the pebble thing.
Take one.
Yummy. Oh,
this is-
you're gonna overdose on sweetness today.
Good.
A little update. We made it to Costco, but I wanted to show this little house right here. I want it for my baby. This is not $249, right? That's that little blower thing. For our future home, we need to get Papi this. Make him a little backyard with a playground. Wait, where's that little playground at? They don't have them here?
No, they sold it.
They sold it?
It's 40,
Oh my god, it's $470. Yeah, it's $479, no? Oh wait, that's that. $3.99. Oh my god, he would love this when he's older. And we have a backyard. We need to get our home ASAP. That's so cute. We came to grab a couple things. Just, what did we need? Some waters, some paper towels, paper plates, just a few things that we needed. Nothing big. These are the little packets that I buy my little baby from Target, and they have them here at Costco now. That's so cool. There's the immunity. They don't have like the, because these are all immunity. Well, which ones? Oh my god, babe, they don't have the coconut water we buy. No, they have the sparkling only. No, I'd rather wait.
Huh?
I'd rather wait.
Wait, they're not gonna have it?
What they have here, you guys. Oh my god, and my freaking camera is dying. Oh, I'm gonna have to update you guys when we're out of here because my camera's dying. Bye. This vlog is probably everywhere, but this is what my little baby's having for lunch or dinner. Avocado, I'm gonna throw in there. We have some broccoli, carrot, rice, and chicken. Hi! Now for the title of the video. Here she is, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Look how pretty she lights up. Guys, I think the interior is my absolute favorite part. The pink lights, the fact that you can change the colors, it's just so pretty. I have it on this color right now because I freaking love it. And once it gets darker outside, it lights up even more. It's so freaking pretty and so spacious. So pretty. Hi, Dad! Oh, even the back has the pink lights or no? And this is the back. The trunk. This is the third row seat. But yeah, right now we have it as like a little trunk. We have it down. This is her. And that was our little car reveal, guys. Now we came to this little trail we discovered a couple days ago, huh? Or like yesterday. I don't know, but it's so beautiful. It's just green. It's a trail of just greenery, literally green. So freaking beautiful, but this is also therapeutic. How are you loving it, puppy? You like it? He's having a time. Come on, push. There you go. Go, Papa. Go, Papa. Go, Papa. Go, Papa. Yeah, it's people. There's people over there. So freaking beautiful.
Show from right here, baby. From here looking down.
So beautiful. I love it. This brings so much peace. Look at this little guy. Where do you think you're going? Ooh. Where do you think you're going, huh? Papa's loving it. Come on. Oh, he wants you to turn it for him. Oh, he's touching the plants. Leave him, leave him, leave him.
Getting a rock.
Wow. Your first rock. No, 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 no.
Hasta acá.
No, baby. He has not touched dirt, rocks, none of that. It's okay. We'll wash his hands right now. What is it, baby?
The guy's getting attacked by bugs over there. No te sientes.
I got something for you, Pa.
Those are weeds, huh? Be careful.
I got something for you. I got something for you. Here. Wow. Oh. I know that dirt went into your nail. No. 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 No, baby. Oh my goodness. Come on, baby. No, puppy. No, don't put it in your mouth, okay? He's like, what is this? No, don't put it in your mouth. We're like on flight or fire. No.
That was into his mouth all fast.
No, baby. His mouth is getting watery.
Dámelo. Dámelo. Dámelo, papi. Dámelo. Thank you.
The shower about to be real dirty tonight. Full of dirt.
No querer, baby.
He's gonna cry in his little cart. We gotta get walking, Papa. It's getting dark. I know, my love. Let him play for a little bit longer. Oh, my baby.
Yeah.
Let's take a little walk and then you get to get out again. Come on.
Let's go.
Let's go. Look. Ready? Ready? Oh, my baby. You gotta keep going.